Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize the build number, which is at the very bottom of this list, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. You will probably have to enter the screen lock to confirm. We've got this information, so now we can go back and enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi options, USB options, etc. And we can show visual feedback for tabs, surface updates, animator, duration scale, display cutout, and many more. And basically all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to turn on a particular feature. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and you can turn it off the same way. And obviously if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on the option and you will have more settings to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. Simply tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options should disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.